Have you diversified in 2024? Have you built globally diversified passive income? Have you protected the assets that you built? And have you got portfolio growth? And lastly, if you have not, do you have a plan for 2025? And if you have you got a plan that will help you accelerate it into 2025? My name is Scott Picken. I've been helping people invest internationally for over 20 years. I've helped people in 178 countries, facilitated over $1.3 billion in investments. And you know, often people think that diversification and building a globally diversified passive income is super complicated. It's not. You need two things. You need the right information and you need the right partners. But to achieve results, you have to have a plan. So we help people create a plan. It's literally a one-page document. We help you get clear on your why. Everyone always wants to know the how and the what. But unless you get clear on your why, you will never achieve your results. Then we help you get clear on the top 5 countries that you want to invest in. We help you get clear on the top 5 currencies that you want to invest in. We help you decide on the top 15 assets. Do you know that Ray Dalio manages $160 billion? He's been doing it for 40 years and his average return is 21% a year. Yes, you heard me correctly, 21% a year in US dollars. And his secret formula is that you need 15 quality assets that don't move in tandem. So what are those 15 quality assets for you? Do you have a plan? Do you have a strategy? The next session is partners. How do you find the right partners and avoid 80% of the mistakes that everyone else makes? And the final section is your wealth plan. If you are 47 and you want to retire by 60, or you are 55 and you want to retire by 65, or you are 65 and you want to make sure that you are fine by 75, you have to have a plan of where you want to be, where you are now, and creating a plan from A to B. If you want to achieve this, and literally you can look at the picture now, I'm just going to show you the framework. If you want to achieve this, then you need to come along to our diversification challenge. It literally is from the 21st to the 25th of October. It's 5 days, 2 hours a day, where I take you through each one of those 5 modules. And by the end, by next Friday, you will literally have a plan. Not a wishy-washy plan, not lots of theory, your own personalized plan on how to achieve that objective. If you want to come and do it in person and you're in Johannesburg or Pretoria, then on the 8th and 9th of November, I am literally doing the exact same thing in person, 5 modules in 2 days. And if you're in London, you equally will get the opportunity to be part of it at the end of November. I leave you with a thought. As you go into Christmas, as you go into the festive season, in my opinion, you have one of 2 options. The one is to go in with anxiety. The year has already gone by, another fast and furious year. 2024 is behind us. You go into Christmas going, oh my word, I didn't diversify, I didn't build globally diversified passive income, I didn't protect my portfolio, I didn't get portfolio growth, and I sure as shit didn't accelerate it. And I go into the Christmas time with anxiety, with fear, with concern, with overwhelm, and with anxiety. Or you can go into the Christmas period knowing you've got a plan, knowing you've got access to the right information, knowing you've got access to the right partners. Imagine what a different feeling that will be for you, your own personalized plan. And maybe, just maybe, if you take the time, if you invest your time to ensure that you get a plan, 2025 will be the year that you actually achieve your objective. I'm a very, very strong believer that in life, if you want to achieve results, you have to have a plan and you have to have a team around you, a group of like-minded people that can help you achieve that plan. I'm offering you the solution. So as we plummet towards the end of this year, I encourage you, I beg you to not keep doing what you've always done and expect different results. As Einstein says, that is the definition of insanity. If you woke up this year and said, right, this is the year I'm going to diversify, I'm going to build a globally diversified passive income, I'm going to protect my wealth, I'm going to, accelerate and grow my portfolio, and you didn't do that, or you're not happy with your results, then you have to do something different. And I am literally offering you a solution. Click on the link below, come and join us at either the challenge or the live workshops. Most importantly, I look forward to hearing about your results and setting you up for success in 2025. Cheers.